Good morning. I'm meteorologist Dave Epstein. It is Friday, the 26th of December. Let's get to that weather wisdom for today. We have sunshine out there. It's cold. Many places down in the teens, some single digits, north and west of 495. And we've got a little bit of snow cover across parts of northern New England, but basically nothing down here. Norland trough set up a couple of days ago across the main coastline. Some places getting anywhere from 12 to 18 inches of snow in a narrow band. It's when you basically have, think of it like two little parts where wind is meeting. So you have wind coming, let's say your right hand's pointing towards your left, and they meet, and it forces the air up, and you get a little narrow band of very heavy snow. Very interesting. You can check that out on social media. I put something out about it yesterday, actually. All right, so today the clouds increase. Tonight we've got a little bit of snow. Weather system's going to basically skirt to our south. New York City, anywhere from 3 to 6 inches of snow, but here I think it's just going to be too far to the south. The coating to an inch or two is still possible from Boston south. It may be that it misses us completely, but that's why I'm just going up to a coating, maybe an inch or two if it comes close enough. That would be about it. Then as we head for tomorrow, any snow showers are out of here. We get back to clearing skies, sunny, temperatures in the 20s. It's cold, back to the teens on Saturday night. Then on Sunday, we're in the 30s. Some milder air starting to try to come in. And as that warm air comes in aloft, it's going to melt the snowflakes that are going to be produced in the clouds Sunday night, and it's going to fall down in the form of freezing rain. So we could see a little bit of freezing rain. I don't think it's going to be an ice storm, but some freezing rain Sunday night, transitioning over to rain on Monday as that system moves away into the 40s. So we should melt any ice that's sticking to things. Then it gets cold again Monday night, back to the 20s, and then it's cold the rest of the week into New Year's Day with temperatures in the low 30s. We may see a little bit warmer air trying to move in thereafter, but no big snowstorms in sight for now. Hope you had a great Christmas. Here we go, last few days of 2025. Have a great day, everybody.